Hey, so I've done a lot of videos about free money, and these videos have helped so many people to get free money. And the good thing about this channel is that this video alone it has generated more than 160,000 views. And right now you can see a lot of YouTubers. They say that you can get free money on this 8 website. You can get free money from this 16 website. And when you try on this website, you get nothing. And I've tried a lot of websites up to now, and most of these websites they're really not going to give you free money. You can just waste your time and energy. So in this video I'm gonna tell you this best method and these two websites that are really going to give you free money if you're going to follow what I'm going to tell you in this video. This is the most trusted website, and I really hope that if you follow all this method, you are really going to get free money. In the middle of this video, I will share with you my own story and experience and the reason why I'm so interested about all these free money websites. So let's dive in and see how this website work and what are the best methods that you can start receiving free money. This is what you have to do. Alright, so let's say that you are in this situation. You don't have money to pay for your rent, you don't have money to pay for your medical bills, you don't have money to pay for your school fees. And if it was me and I was in this situation, I will do the following. And if you're not going to do this, you may as well forget about free money. This is what you have to do to make sure that you really get this free money on this website. I know it's free money, but it needs a little effort from you. And the first step that you have to do is for you to go ahead and create a Facebook account or Instagram account or TikTok account. But if you have them, it's okay. And if you really don't want people who knows you to find out that you receive free money from these companies or from this website, it's okay. You can go ahead and create a new TikTok account or Facebook account or Instagram account. This is a very important step for you to get free money on this platform. So if you really want to do that, you can just go ahead and create TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook account, one of these. So right after creating these social media profiles, the second step, you need to go to this website that I recommend you to start receiving free money from this website. And there are only two websites that are very trusted, and I tried a lot of websites, but I think these two websites are the best websites that you can really get free money on the platform. The first website is called GoFundMe. I know a lot of people know about this website. And the second one is Facebook fundraising. These are the only trusted website that you can really get free money in very easy way and in very fastest ways. How do rich people are going to find you? This is what you have to do. You can just go to GoFundMe. If you follow what I'm going to tell you right now, you can really get money from this website. You just have to go to GoFundMe and you have to click this place which is written as Start Fundraising, and you have to fill out all this information about yourself. It can be your name, your email, your address, and all this necessary information you have to write there. Then you have to create a GoFundMe account and start a campaign. So you have to explain what do you really need. It can be about medical bills, it can be about school fees. You really have to explain all this information down here so that people can read your story and be interested to help you. So this is the most important, and this is the most trusted website. So our second website for you to get free money is called Facebook fundraising. So if you have Facebook, there are this category which is known as Facebook fundraising. So you can just go ahead and click there. You can just click this place which is written as Start a Campaign, and you can explain what you really want this money from. And it can be about medical bills, it can be about anything that you really want that money for. You can just explain there, and I'm gonna tell you the best tips that can really attract different people to donate money for you. So let's go to our last steps, and these steps are really going to help you to get free money from this platform. So right after creating this campaign, rich people are there and they are ready to help you. So how are you going to convince somebody who doesn't know you to give you money for free? Okay, so this is the first tip that you can use and you can get free money. So your heading or your title has to be very catchy, has to take somebody's attention. So let's say that you need money for medical bills. You can just write, my son needs your help, or I need your help. Or if you need school fees, you can just write that for that, help me going back to school, or help me going to school. This kind of title are so emotional and it can take somebody's attention and go ahead and help you. So if you're going to do this, it's really important, and if you follow these necessary steps that I'm going to show you, you can really get money from this platform. So our second tip with that, you need to choose good and quality photo. Let's say that if you are joining on these platforms, you are needed to upload your photo, you are needed to write information about yourself, you needed to write a lot of things about yourself. So when it comes for you to choose good and amazing photo, you really have to make sure that this photo that you're going to choose, it will stop somebody from scrolling on Instagram, on Facebook, and may want to go ahead and help you right away. So it's very important to make sure that the photo that you're choosing for your campaign, it really has to be clickable. So this is our last tip, and this tip is going to determine whether you're going to get free money or you're not going to get free money. As I told before, you really needed to create a Facebook account, Instagram account, and TikTok account. The reason that you created this social media, all these campaigns, they need to be shared. So you may have GoFundMe campaign. All you want to do for rich people to see your campaign, you need to share to different people on different social media. It can be Twitter, it can be Facebook or Instagram. So the reason that I told you you need to have this social media is for you to keep sharing these links. So it's very important for you to share these links, because this is how rich people are going to find you. This is how kind people are going to find you and donate money for you. There is no way that you can get free money if you're not going to share this link to different people. I'm gonna be honest with you. And that way that I've seen a lot of people, they say that is most effective way to get free money is for you to record a video. So let's say that you don't have medical bills or you need money to pay for school fees. You can just go ahead and record your video, and you have to explain the reason that you really need this money for. So this is the most important thing that you can do to make sure that you get free money. So the reason that I decided to share this website with you, that I was once in a very bad situation in my life. I didn't have money to pay for my rent, I didn't have money to buy food and groceries. So that was a really bad time for me, and I reached out to different people, to rich people on Facebook, Instagram. I asked them to help me, and I didn't get any reply from them. But also I tried out this website that they say that you get free money. As you can see now, there are too many videos that claiming that you can get free money up to $50,000, up to $20,000. But when you go ahead and try this website, you really cannot get free money, because a lot of people, they don't know this method and tips on how you can really get free money and how you really can convince different people to go ahead and donate money for you. It's really going to take some time. It's really not going to happen overnight. I know a lot of people, they think that you ask money today, you get money tomorrow. That is something that is very impossible, and if it was like that, nobody would be working right now. So I think it can take 2 months, it can take 3 months. It just depends on how passionate you are and how hardworking you are at sharing these links to different people who may want to donate money for you. So thanks so much for watching my videos, and I really want to wish you all the best. And I'm not encouraging begging money. The only thing that I decided to do this video, I know in your life sometimes you may be in a situation that there is no way that you can get money. So the only thing that you can get money is for you to get help from these rich people. Thanks so much. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time. My name is David. Thanks so much.